character is like a pregnancy that you cannot hide. No matter how you go try to hide pregnancy, when the time reach where the belly go begin dey grow, not be person go come tell you say you no go fit hide that again. And no matter how you go carry pig, wear am suit, baff am for inside potopoto where you go rub yourself, wear am suit, carry am comot for that state, go to another state. If you see where potopoto dey, go jump inside with that suit. Now know wetin I want to talk about so now. Krazemama, Jesse friend. Krazemama, see this video where be say King Kris post. So as you dey do like person where be say he fair run score for head. Person wey be like say e fair run e short e fair enter inside market before they come cure am. Your character, you could not hide it. You pretend say you be reverend sister, you come Lagos State, come find man. See how desperate you are. Kris even answer yourself, thinking you are truly a reverend sister. You lie, say you are from Cotonou. He gave you 500,000 naira, so okay, go and lodge in an hotel. Take care of yourself there until you go back to Cotonou. You know, say no matter how you go hide your face, your voice not come up for position. Now you dey tell us say make it bring down which video. You go do like this. Who be you? What do you feel doing? You just say na Emule Empire where you dey go dey do anyhow for there. Where they see they give bitty una up and down. It is na Emule Empire. Upon the own match where you made the time with Jesse and disgrace matter, where you feel end. Not be beat like Omomo na Jesse mama they beat you. You declare say he ever know you. You dey do like waiting and no know. Come on wig for head. Person where you claim say you love oh. Hey God. The time when Jesse get problem with disgrace, now you they say Jesse dey desperate. Now your own can't carry first class. Do you know why I say your own carry first class? Because you travel all the way from Port Harcourt. You can't come Lagos, Baza. If I say the money where your parents they sponsor you for school, say they waste and I go be like say person to they talk. Your mates will finish school. The next thing they would think of after the NYSC is how to get a job, a good job. You will respect yourself and put yourself together. You say no, say not to they do anyhow. You say Kris disgrace you. No, my dear, you disgrace yourself. You are shameless. You disgrace yourself. You think that people will not know you. You carry mask, you cover face, you go so say go so you just sit. Wait, how come you got this kind of madness knowledge for your head? You go carry reverend sister, so I finish where I come. Now one for you, I want to ask you one question. If Kris can say okay now, he accept you. For example, say people no open your nyash, he accept you. Then the day when I can't do kerewa, I can't be like say when you open the place, now enter the place don't wide like our own where we don't take bone. Then what you go come tell her? You go tell her say you don't kerewa outside before you enter reverend sister. But you dey say reverend sister the kerewa. See your life. Look at how you are disgracing yourself, disgracing your family. But disgracing your family. Somebody I believe your people, they are not well to do like that too. I know what it takes to sponsor person for school. To sponsor pikin for school, I know what it takes. To buy books, pay school fees. At the end of the day, the person go come out, go come they disgrace the family. Whether na you, in short, you not go, whether na you go through the school or na the school go through you is what I do not understand. You dey tell say you never know you should put down the video. I beg Kris, anytime when you come again, video and well, show a face well, put the camera for a face. You know they do anything. Na Martin day. If he rat finish, na Martin day. If na me be you, if I go arrest and she's a scammer. You say people they call you scammer. What till you be before? Not be scammer, you be. If Kris na bad boy now he arrest you now, do you think you will come out from inside that kiri? You know charges where go there on top of your head. Because you are a scammer. See the way you are disgracing your entire family. You say just na desperate, they desperate for where busy. Your own icon was best or the same further. Now your own come worse. See the way you carry yourself from Port Harcourt, come Lagos, come they fool yourself. Guys, share this video, guys. I remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. Please follow me.